Okay, everybody, we have an activity for today, and this involves walking around the room, going to 4 different stations. Okay, so I'm going to kind of walk you through how this will look like. You should have either now or soon a page that looks like this, right? Tectonic stations answer sheet, and if you look at it, you've got station 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the other page. Okay. So at each station there will be something to do or something to see, and then some questions to answer as a result of it. So we're going to be here like station 1, okay, 2, 3, and 4 on the other side of the room. So real quick at each station. So station 1, when you get to station 1 is where I'm at right now. You will see this device like this, okay? And there'll be instructions for you and questions with it, but this thing here, right? It's got couple little cuts in it, and right here in the middle, this would be like a diverging boundary, and you have 2 converging boundaries right here. And the way it works is underneath with my thumbs, I can grab this little piece of paper, and when I pull it, you can see how it appears as though the crust is rising, or the converging boundary is kind of working, okay? So if you get here and it's like this, you kind of have to just pull right on the middle, kind of reset it, okay? So kind of look like that. And then there'll be questions that go with it. So here's station 1 questions right there, okay? Station 2 and 3 and 4 are around the room, but I've just got them right here. So real quick, station 2 just has some questions about these images, okay? So you just got to go to that station, read these questions, and just like station 1, you'll put your answers on this page right here, okay? So that's somewhere else. Station 3 is going to ask you to look at 3 different models of the Earth. So we've got a styrofoam ball, we've got a tennis ball, whoops, cut in half, and if you ever wondered what a baseball looks like in the middle, there it is there. We've got a baseball cut in half, okay? So the questions for station 3 are going to ask you to look at those models, okay? Lastly, station 4. Station 4 has the data here. This one will take a little bit of time, but in your answer sheet, it's going to ask you to graph some of that data, okay? And sometimes the hardest part of graphing is what do you count by. So I'm going to give you some of the answers here to this. So along the bottom, the x-axis where it's distance from the coast, every individual line is going to be 100 kilometers, but you don't want to label every line, it'll be too crowded. So every 5th line, call it 500. So 500, 1,000, 1,500, and so on. Okay, that'll get you, if you get up to about 6,000, you'll make it. Okay, on the vertical axis, same thing, we're going to start with 0 in the corner, and then every 5th line is actually going to be 1. And so if you do that, you see here, everyone will be 1, whoops. All right, all the way up to 5, that'll make it. And if you really want to be technical, that means every line is 0.2. But don't label every line, it'll be too crowded. So 0.2, 4, 6, 8, and then you're at 1. 1.2, 1.4, and so forth, okay? So if you set that up like that, it'll work really easy, okay? Other than that, you just travel through each station. You don't have to do it in order. If one station is crowded, you could skip that one and come back to it maybe when it's not as crowded. But you got to get through all 4 stations, okay? There you go. Good luck.